For YouTube video ranking, it is highly recommended to add the video in the article. I'll show you how to do it. Let's say we want to position this video. Then we're going to add the video's URL on the money site, followed by grabbing the keywords we want to position with, right? And we will place it in the keywords area. Now we click here to generate the article. Once the article is generated, we can click here to see the preview. We can take a look here how it is and how it looks like. Now we are going to add the URL inside the article. We right-click the panel and tap on Advanced. The first thing we are going to do is to create an account. With the main keyword we would like to rank. Then in this area over here, we find that we can add our video's URL here. We copy and paste. Insert. Now we tap on preview again, and as you can see we have our video here. Okay, even with the keywords anchors text. Then we spin again, and if you pay close attention, it's been modified, but we keep the same video. Remember, by us adding the videos under Web 2.0 properties is a very good sign to classify with greater strength by a 30–40% more. Remember, for more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one.